Hi guys, welcome back to Wolf Quest. Okay, so I'm gonna be finding my mate. But you guys should tell me what I should name my mate. I'm just gonna pick a random name for now. Then you guys can help me find a name. And guys, look, it's a dispersal female. But now I'm probably just gonna name it Luna. Okay, so hello there. Okay, I think it's I like you. Yes, it was. Okay, I got the pattern down. Yeah. I think it's Let's Play. Is it? Let's Play. Yes, it is. Okay, guys. So, well, let's start a pack. Okay. Let's start a pack again. Then, guys, we're gonna name it. We're gonna name her. Because we're a boy named Crow, as you can see. So yeah. There we go. So, no. Okay, so Luna the wolf. It's Luna the wolf. Leave arena. And I'm going to pause it. And then we can start heading to hunting at Sloth Creek. See you guys. Okay, guys. Here we are at Sloth Creek. So yeah. And let's try to find a den. I'm gonna look at the map. Okay, so I wanna head down here. Now it's close to wolf territory, but for me it's the most easiest den. So I was thinking about going right there on the map. Because that is the tree one. So let's go. Is it? I'm gonna check the map again. No. So it must be this one. Exactly lined up. Okay. So let's head there. And then we can start hunting there. So that we'll have enough food for the puppies. When we start heading to the summer hunting grounds, and well, we're raising them there. So yeah, let's keep going. Just wish that you can move actually a little faster in the creek. So yeah. Don't mind that, guys. That was just my cat. So yeah, it's just my cat, Star. Star, stop. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, we're in elk hunting grounds, so let's sniff out the elk. Sniff, 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 sniff. Sniff, 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 sniff. So yeah, those are the house. Oh, there's our mates. So where is the elk? Where are you, elk? Where are you? Oh my gosh. We just ran right into them. Okay. We're hunting. We're hunting. So yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. We fed up on that a little. Okay, let's go back to the hood to hunt a little more. So yeah. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep hunting. Watch out, my glorious mates. We're gonna hunt this one. Okay. So, ooh, there's a nearby den, but we're gonna hunt instead. So yeah. It's just so lovely that we just kill this elk. Okay. Let's get it. Oh no, please don't kill Crow. Okay, there we go. I don't want to lose Crow on our second video. Okay, here we go. Let's head back down to the hood. So here's the hood. That ain't a winner, but we'll make it a winner. Okay, so there we go. Let's follow this elk. Yes, there's a nearby den, I know that. So, yeah. Sorry guys, just trying to watch the time. Okay, one more minute. Okay guys, we're gonna have to say bye here. Okay guys, bye. See you guys next time. We'll probably get to 18 hour pops in a couple more videos. So yeah guys, bye.